Alright, so what's up everybody? So today we are going to show you how did I fix it, what DLL is missing. Someone is sending me an msvcp140 DLL is missing. So alright, so today I'm going to teach you guys how can I fix it. So as you can see, I already downloaded the msvcp140 DLL. So how did I download it actually? So you can go to Google Chrome, any browser, and then you can search for what is it? You can search for MCP, and this is the best DLL file you can test from this dllfile.com. Now this is the most whatever, just download it, this version, the most latest version. You can also try, if this doesn't work, you can try another version and another blah blah blah. So just hit the download button and it will start automatically. It will start, and there we go. If you don't have WinRAR, then you just go ahead and download WinRAR download. That's very easy. Just click on the WinRAR download and it will show up. Alright, so this is the winzip.com. Now you can download it from here. The download button is always ready. So alright, so you got the MSVC, the zip file. So put it out. OBS, push it. OBS. Alright, so put it out over the desktop and file it. And as you can see, there was the readme text and MSVC. This is whatever, I don't really care. Just right click, and if you put it out, then you can delete it. So and the Grand Theft Auto 5, and as you can see, he doesn't have any open file location. So if you want to find file location, you need to open the Epic Game Launcher. After you open the Epic Game Launcher, give him a second to fire. Alright, so if you just try to fire up the Epic Game Launcher, you can go to setting, and you can go to all the way down to the edit the location, and then you can browse where you want to install and download it, whatever. And you can browse, then you can know the location, and you click it, and you can control copy it, and you can copy it and cancel, or you can just like this and copy this same way. So right now, close. You can close it, and then you can go to your file explorer, and then go here, and then go. As you can see, this is implied. Go to launcher, and you might see the GTA 5 is over here maybe, but I already changed the place, so it's not here. So you need to find this GTA 5 GTA V folder, and you can open it, and you can see, as you can see, this is the game folder. So what you need to do is just put this into here. It might work, but I don't sure, but I have some friend, then they say it's work. So hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please drop a like and share this video to your friend, or I will guide tomorrow. Just kidding. Enjoy. Bye.